there's some things that I look for in a controller, but I haven't found one that hits all of the buttons. Here is a 8-bit do controller, and this was a cheap $60 controller, but it has all of the features of the $150 controllers. Well, most of them. The things that I look for are adjustable trigger depth. The first Xbox Elite, the trigger depth, when you changed it, that just meant you couldn't depress the thing all the way. Like if you're using a driving game and you short stopped the trigger, it wouldn't go all the way down. But now nearly all of the controllers, when you change the trigger depth, they automatically adjust so that you don't run into that situation. But that's one of the features that I look for, is an adjustable trigger depth. Real rumble haptics are not the same. Onboard profiles for real paddles. So here's this 8-bit do. This one has 2 paddles, but it's got 2 buttons at the top here. So basically, so you got a left and a right bumper. Have enough buttons so that you don't have to take your thumbs off the thumbsticks in order to press the A, B, X, Y buttons. We're good. So those are the things, minimum, that I look for in a Pro controller. Not all of them have it. Not even the Steam controller, which I love and I think is one of the better controllers, has everything. Well, one just dropped earlier this week about how to use a Steam Deck as a Steam controller. It's the Steam controller you didn't know you have, and it's all of the functionality. So if you already have a Steam Deck, you want a Steam controller for your main PC, check that out, because you can. But I have another article also coming out on everything that you didn't know you could do with a DualSense controller. And it does some stuff that the Steam controller can't do, and has real rumble. And it's actually kind of exciting. It's now my favorite way to play. But yeah, why did I get off on that? Oh, that's right. Xbox controllers don't last long.